Hey boys and girls, let's start with a little warm-up. So we're going to practice our digraph and chunk sounds, and then we're going to practice those sight words. Let's go. Ooh, say the sound as you see it. Ooh, now we're going to do 3 in a row. So we're going to look at them. We're going to think them. Let's say them. Ch, sh, all. Look at them. Think them. Say them. Sh, ch, all. Look at them. Think them. Say them. Sh, ch, all. Look at them. Think them. Say them. Sh, ch. Look at them. Think them. Say them. K, sh, all. Look at them. Think them. Say them. Sh, ch, all. Nice job. Now let's do our word pop-up. Say it when you see it. New. Please. New. Saw. Make. Own. Saw. Make. New. Ooh, 3 in a row. We're going to look at them. We're going to whisper them. Read them. New. Good. New. Look at them. Whisper them. Read them. Please. Make. Saw. Look at them. Whisper them. Read them. Good. Please. Saw. Look at them. Whisper them. Read them. Make. Saw. Saw. Look at them. Whisper them. Read them. Good. Saw. Ooh, Ms. Martin messed up. Good, good, saw. Nice job, boys and girls. Now let's get ready for our lesson.